Hi guys, welcome you all to the DevOps Delight YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another task of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge. I am here on the Chrome browser. Let me type engineer.kodekloud.com/practice, hit enter. I directly got this task's UI because I auto-saved my password and username. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter your username and password. Once you have given those details, you will also get the same screen as like me. Let me click on the start button. Today we will see Git cherry pick task, which is of day 28 of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. Yes, we got our task. First, let me read the task, then we will look into the solution. The Nautilus application development team has been working on a project repository /opt/demo.git. This repo is cloned at /usr/src/kodekloud repos on storage server in status DC. They recently shared the following requirements with the DevOps team. There are two branches in this repository, master and future. One of the developers is working on the future branch and their work is still in progress. However, they want to merge one of the commits from the future branch to the master branch. The message for the commit that needs to be merged into master is update info.txt. Accomplish this task for them. Also remember to push the changes eventually. Alright, so by default I am here on the jump host, but we need to finish this task on the storage server. So let me click on this details of all users and servers button to get the storage server login credentials. Search for the storage server here. So here is the one. Natasha is the username. STSTOR01 is the server name. This is the password. From here, let me type SSH Natasha @STSTOR01, enter, type yes and paste the password. Let me type sudo su space hyphen and then paste the password, enter. Let me clear the screen. Now let me go to this particular path. So this is where we have our repository, cd, then the path, ls. So we have demo. Okay, what I will be doing is here, let me do the git branch to list out all the branches. Let me go to cd demo. I think here we will get it. Yeah, here we have two branches right now, future and master. We are in the future branch. Now let me do the git log -1 line so that we will get the log data in one line format. We don't need to give this hyphen. So yeah, this is how it works. Here if you observe, update info.txt commit, we have this commit id, and for initial commit we have this commit id, and add welcome.txt comment, we have this commit id. If you observe here in the task, they mentioned that the message for the commit that needs to be merged into master is update info.txt. So this is the one. So what we need to do is we need to copy this commit id, and right now we are in the future branch. If you see asterisk and green color, that means that is where we are right now. So let me do the git checkout master. Now we switched into the master branch. If you wanted to validate, you can do this. So if you do the git branch, now green color and asterisk symbol is for the master. Earlier it was for the future. Now what I will be doing is, so git cherry pick and then the commit id. So usually if we do the git merge, then all the commits of future branch will be merged into the master. But right now we wanted to have only particular commit to be merged into the master branch. For that reason we will be using cherry pick. Enter. Here we need to use the git cherry -pick, not cherry pick. So yeah, now changes were made, and also they told like we need to push your changes eventually. All right, so further let me do the git status on branch master ahead of origin by one commit, git push to publish your local changes. All right, git push, writing objects, it is pushed, Now let me do the git status. Branch is up to date. Yeah, if we do the ls, we should be able to see info.txt, welcome.txt. If I do the git log --- one line here, we should be able to see add welcome.txt and update info.txt. That's what we added, right? So yeah, commit IDs will be changed here 58C5431, but in future branch commit ID is C1E2193. Okay. So yeah, now let me click on this check button to validate our work. Click on confirm. Yes, we did it right. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in another video with yet another task of our 100 days of DevOps task challenge. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you.